Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever and wherever you're at. We're out for our evening walk with the dog here in goddamn again. Dog's taking a leak. There we go. Hey, here's our Pinoy 155 here. Anyways, we're all taking our evening walk through the neighborhood. I didn't bring any pesos, so if we... It kind of sucks because if... Hi! So as you can see, we got some activity going on in the neighborhood right about now.
Okay, we go first. She wants to go first.
Food stand.
I don't know.
What we got? What are we selling up here? Baskets? Oh, pretty nice.
See, basket, fans, hammock,
Fans.
and then
Check
basket.
this out. All kinds of stuff. What is this for again? This is
basket for rice, for
rice.
corn. This is native.
It's got all kinds of stuff going on. Basins, a little bit of everything. So this is in Alaminos City, on Pie Street. This gentleman is coming around here selling all kinds of stuff. I didn't bring anything with me.
Have like this.
What is it?
The nation line, but it's made of bamboo.
Bamboo. Check all this out. Yeah. Pretty cool. Look at all this stuff. What is that, huh?
This one is for the cobwebs.
For the for the cobwebs. How long is he going to be in the area? We're out walking the dog right now. Look at the baskets. I like the baskets too.
Yeah, that one is the basket.
Oh, all this loaded up on a tricycle. Jeez, isn't that amazing? You can't even see the tricycle. What's that, huh?
Rattan, made of rattan. The basket.
I mean, I'd like to finish our walk first, but I'd still like to maybe check out.
Yeah, he will go there first, and then we can
We're only going to be about 10 minutes maybe, something like that. So, okay, we'll be back. Okay, thanks. All right, jamming some Soundgarden up here. Huh?
Even they don't like she do the thing that they noticed her. And then once they noticed her, she went away.
Okay. We're like on a back street. Just, well, yeah, on a back street that comes out on the main road of Alaminos City. The east-west main road that kind of like cuts all the way through the city. So as we come out here, we're not really in the middle, but we're kind of more on the west side. This Sorry Sorry store. Very nice lady that works in there, and we sometimes stop in there and get some things. So oh, try coming up. We're going down this way, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a little. It's a nice old building right there. Oh, there's the chicks to go. Chicks to go. Get your chooks to go, chicken. And yep. Awesome. What do we got here? Oh yeah, that's right. You went there before. Okay. Who are these characters? Huh? Okay. What'd you say? Cool. Yeah, there's the CSI Warehouse Club. Groceries, household goods, that kind of thing. A Shakey's Pizza and a Goldilocks Bakery. Also, it looks like I think they have a optical shop in there. Cebuana. Just, yeah. A bunch of stuff. But anyways, yeah, CSI. That's where everybody comes to do most of their shopping. There's other grocery stores down the street. Well, one at least. And then the market. The wet market. But, yep. Thanks. Another old town. Cool building. Jeepney, pull out. Come on, Jim, let's go. And this is where we start our way back into the neighborhood. And that's kind of convenient, you know. We just walk off the main drag and boom, walking right into our neighborhood again. It's so easy, so convenient. So I'll just kind of do a quick scan of the area. And what's he doing? Trimming? Okay. Did I almost stepped in dog poop? Did I miss it? I'm not watching where I'm going. Dog poop. Dog poop everywhere. Yeah, the dogs don't care around here. They shit anywhere. Anywhere.
Your dog, very nice. Your dog.
All right. I like sorry store. I know, where'd he go? Okay, well, I guess he's gone. He's gone, right? Huh? Okay, well, there's the neighborhood. We'll go ahead and call this one quits. Thanks, guys, for coming along with us. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we will see you soon. Later.